the West Philippine Sea, the owner of the West Philippine Sea is the Philippines. Because
thank you for the hat. Yes, please.
because
I see a harsh woman embrace.
you can
I
say
warn
of
you,
of
exclamation
the
point.
name, it's
Be
called
respectful. If you
West
don't, you can
Philippine
get
Sea.
muted. Egad.
Ay, Tome. You hear me?
Egad. Tommy is
Come on.
honest.
Oy. The name
Stop.
is West Philippine Sea.
Dude.
So-
Fish pineapple chicken, dude. What?
So it's said West Philippine Sea, the name. So the owner is the Philippines because
Whoa,
it's-
wait.
if it is not the owner, the Philippines, it should be named West China Sea.
Okay.
But it's
Attention.
called West Philippine Sea. And it's not named West China Sea. So why is it
Angie?
people China
Angie? Hold on.
hold on mo
Tension
mapa?
between... Listen.